Log in to your revision account. Scroll down the home page and you'll see a series of large colored buttons. Click the enrollment one. Here you can upload your ID photo. Just click the link. To enroll, just click the select button next to your course. From this page you will see your enrollment tests. They have to be completed in order and will turn dark blue when ready to complete. The first task is personal details. Here you will see our privacy statement. Click the link to read and then the I agree button to continue. Next you will need to confirm that your name and home address are correct, as well as an emergency contact. Complete all of these and then click Next. Now we need your term time address. Click the button if it's the same as your home one, or complete the details if known. Here, make sure you add the email address you use most and your mobile number, if you have one. Click Next again. Now you will be asked two questions: whether you are considering working as well as studying, and to confirm if you have access to the internet and either a PC, laptop or tablet to help with your studies. Answer these, and then click Next. Make sure all the pink boxes here have something, even if it's not applicable. And if any of the grayed out boxes are incorrect, please make a note for later. Then click Next. Next are 4 questions relating to employability and your current thoughts on your career. Please read them carefully, and question 4 needs an answer in all boxes before you can click Submit to move on. Click Exit. This page shows you all of the answers you have provided. Check and make a note of anything that is incorrect. Click Close. You will now see that the section has turned green to show you have completed it. And the next one, Education, is now ready to complete. Please choose I do not know if you've never heard of a unique learner number. Also, please confirm whether you have studied for at least 6 months on a higher education course before this one, with details if applicable. The next page confirms the qualifications you have told us about prior to starting. Click Next. Then you will see a summary of your education, and again, if there is anything missing or not correct, please make a note. Click Close. You can now move on to the fees section of enrollment. It is important that you read and understand this page, as it has a direct effect on any funding you may be eligible for. If student finance, an employer, organization, or someone else is paying your fees, make sure you click No from the drop-down box. If student finance is paying, please add either your student support number or your customer reference number, if either are known. Read the next yellow information box and confirm this below. Then click Next. Here you will see your course title and fees for the year. Please read this blue information box. You can click the links to read the regulations and policy. Then make sure you tick the 2 buttons to confirm you have read them before clicking Next. You again will see a summary of this section. Click Close. The next section, Module Registration, is now ready to complete. This will show a list of the modules you will be studying this year. Most new students will have a set program of modules that simply need to be confirmed by clicking the button. After you have clicked Confirm, just click back to Enrollment. Now you can complete the declaration. Please answer this and then click Next. The next section is the ID upload task. Please see separate video to explain this section. Lastly is the confirmation task. Read all of the information and click the relevant links to make sure you have fully read and understood our bylaws, regulations, rules, and code of conduct, etc. Then tick the relevant boxes and click Confirm. That's it. You're enrolled. Congratulations.